This is Cissy, play with a stuffed bear toy. She tries to find the squeaky. Cissy loves to play. She's between 1 and 2 years old. She's spayed. Oop, she found a squeaky. And she will love to find her forever home. She does like watching TV, and she loves to sleep on the recliner. She loves being able to go outdoors and hang out in the sun. Right, Cissy? She's trying to see if she can find more toys. She's nibbling, trying to make it squeak again. She's part Wookiee because she makes these really funny sounds. She doesn't really bark too often, but we know she can. Right, Cissy? She's very playful and energetic. Very curious. She's stuffing her head in the corner of the couch. Oh, is there treasure there? Oh, she's gonna bring the stuffed animal to her. Can't see you, Cissy. Sometimes she can't make up her mind. Cissy. Oh, look. She's taking a break. Cissy. Take a break. She's got long ears. What? 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 You ready for your close-up? What? You ready for your close-up? Look at that face. Look at her. Oops! Oh no, now she's trying to get into my lap. What are you doing? You're a big dog. You're not a chihuahua. Okay, Cissy. Go back to the couch. But she is looking for a forever home.